Hi dear students, welcome back to our channel and Vinay Kumar Basics of Physics. In this video, we are going to discuss about the one very short answer question. What is the phase difference between incident wave and reflected wave in case of a rigid wall or rigid boundary? Let's discuss. So very simple question and very important also. What is the phase difference between the incident and reflected wave is? Reflected by a rigid boundary. So children, here first thing we have to know about the one thing. You can take any wave, longitudinal wave or transverse wave. For example, it is now a transverse wave. Clear? It is crest trough, crest trough. Again crest trough, crest trough, crest trough. So you can take any two successive crest or trough. They have phase difference is 2 pi radians. 2 pi radians. You can take any successive. Clear? Here also is 2 pi radians. So the phase difference between two successive crests is what? 2 pi radians. It means that what? The phase between the crest and trough is what? Crest, crest. Phase how much? 2 pi radians. And if you can take consecutive crest and trough, it is nothing but pi. Here to here 2 pi, and now this is pi and this is the pi. That's why here crest to crest is 2 pi radians and CD is what? Crest to trough is S. So what we are talking, this is talking about the phase. Clear? The phase difference between two consecutive crest is 2 pi radians and consecutive crest and trough is what? Pi radians. So if you have idea about this one, they can easily get the answer for that question. Clear? So very simple. He was given that what it is, a rigid wall he was given. Rigid wall he was given. Simply here, so it is a like wall or anything water maybe. Clear? So we are showing this is a rigid boundary. Rigid boundary. Clear? On that rigid boundary, here one wave is incident like this. So it is a transverse wave. Clear? On the transverse wave, you have to observe which portion of the wave is falling on the rigid wall. You have to observe. So this is what children, crest. What it is? Crest is falling on the rigid boundary or rigid wall. And this wave is what children? Incident wave. What it is? Incident wave. Clear? When the wave is incident on the rigid wall, obviously it is reflected. It is reflected like this. Now this is the reflected wave. What it is? Reflected wave. So this is what children? Reflected wave. Now you have to observe here crest is fall on the rigid boundary and immediately that is reflected. The starting portion what it is here now children, as this is trough. So what it is? This is the trough and it is the crest. So crest and trough it is there. So these are consecutive crest and trough. They have phase difference is what? Pi radians or 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So this is the answer children. The phase difference between incident wave and reflected wave is what it is children? As pi radians. Pi radians. When? In case of rigid boundary. Why? Because when incident wave is falling such that crest is falling on that one, immediately we are getting the trough. So consecutive crest and trough. The phase difference between the consecutive crest and trough is pi radians. So this is the answer for that question children.